The clever fish. Short moral story. Once upon a time, fisherman cast his net into a river. As he pulled it up, he found a small fish trapped in it. The little fish was clever and quickly thought of a way to escape. "Dear fisherman," said the fish, "I am too small to be of much use to you now. If you let me go, I will grow bigger and you can catch me again later. That way, you will have a bigger meal." The fisherman thought about it and decided it was a good idea. He released the fish back into the water. However, the clever fish swam far away, determined never to come near the fisherman's net again. Moral of this story is: quick thinking and cleverness can save you from trouble. Thanks for watching. Like the story, share, comment and subscribe for more fun and educational content from Little Wonder Stories.